Hello everyone, this is Neha Gupta. In this video, we will talk about how to develop creativity in your students. Friends, first of all, you should always remember that being creative is not really a rocket science. We all are creative in some or another way. In the same manner, we should develop a belief that all our students are creative and what is our role. This creativity is basically somewhere inside them in the form of ideas or capabilities, and our role is to facilitate them. We are supposed to create opportunities for them so that they can get exposure or a platform to show and realize their potential. So, in this video, we will discuss some basic ideas by which you can develop creativity in your students and you can boost their innovations. So, let's start. Number one, create a fearless learning environment. Developing a fearless learning environment or a fear free learning environment is the basic need if we really want to make our students creative. Fear prevents performance and creates barrier in open thinking. If students are always feel positive in classroom, then they will definitely not hesitate in trying and implementing new ideas. Number two, encourage students to ask questions. Friends, asking questions and of course freestyle questions is necessary. Students should feel free in asking queries to you, whether they are related to course content or beyond. Let them ask questions, and you should encourage their habit of asking because it enhances curiosity. Number three, recognize and encourage students. Students perform better when they are recognized and encouraged. You can create appreciation cards for them, and these cards really create magic. Students feel great when their work is encouraged and they try to do more innovative. Number 4, celebrate diversity in classroom. Being teacher, we always find our classrooms divergent in many aspects. But friends, here I am talking about diversity in terms of hobbies and capabilities. All students can have different domains of showing their creativity, like dancing or drawing, singing, craft work, problem solving, etc. Give importance to their work and encourage them to learn from each other. Number 5, use innovative learning methods. Innovative learning methods are very effective in developing divergent thinking among students. We can conduct quizzes, brain teasers, brainstorming sessions, presentations, role play, etc. By using these methods, we are giving students an opportunity to think differently and beyond conventional settings. Moreover, keep your classroom settings and approaches flexible. For example, students should feel free to move inside the classroom as per their needs. Like, for example, I would like to add here that allow your students to move in the classroom for meaningful conversations, for collaborative learnings, for group projects. It is not indiscipline. Maybe it can create chaos or noises, but take it in the positive manner. It is necessary to boost their creativity. We should adopt a flexible approach and don't expect the traditional answers or a particular solution from the students. Let them construct their own thoughts, own solution. Initially, they will commit mistakes, but friends, always remember that doing mistakes is totally okay. They are gradual steps in the process of learning. So, in this point, we learned that flexibility and innovative learning methods are really helpful in enhancing creativity. So, guys, I hope this session will definitely boost ideas to make your students divergent learners. Thank you and have a nice day.